The keys to successful stock trading. Stock trading has been one of the most viable business ventures one could get into. This is because the nature of the business itself doesn't take too much one's time if he or she already knows the ways to get the investment rolling. It is also one of the easiest means of making the value of your money into double only if you know how to handle it properly. Studies show that a large percent of people who get into stock trading are successful because they were able to learn the things that they need to learn the earliest possible time. Since they have learned all the basics, they know how to move forward and create their own windows of opportunities. One step at a time. If you are among those who would want to take a risk and join the exciting, complicated world of stock trading, here are some keys to help you become successful in it. 1. Make sure that you prepare and equip yourself. This is very important because it will help you adjust to the setup easily. Preparing and equipping yourself involves a lot of data gathering and being knowledgeable about the industry. You must also prepare yourself physically, emotionally, and mentally so you can cope up and overcome the trials and difficulties that will come along your way. 2. Arm yourself with knowledge. Being knowledgeable can be done by enrolling to a specific course on stock trading, reading a lot of books and other reference materials that talk about it as well as in other markets, and visiting various websites that offer free and seemingly limitless information on it. If you want more first-hand information, try asking people you know about their experiences on stock trading. 3. Assess yourself and know where you stand. This is very important in stock trading because it indicates your personal assessment on your current status in the market. Knowing where you stand will also help you determine if you are still in the right path of success or you need some amendments in your stock standing. 4. Reflect on your goals and realize them. Just like in any business, having a goal is a very important key to achieve success in stock trading. If you know your goals, then you will know if you are still faring well or you need to reassess all your short and long-term goals. 5. Plot your strategies. Although strategies don't always work in stock trading, it is best that you have your own strategy to start with. If you are able to come up with your own strategy, it means that you are ready to deal with more difficulties ahead of you. 6. Never be complacent. This could be done by keeping yourself up to date through always monitoring the current trends in stock trading to keep your knowledge up to date. You can do this by constantly monitoring the stock market through magazines and news reports in the industry. 7. Don't give up when you fail. Stock trading is not always about being success. Keep in mind that there will always be windows for failures along the way and accept that this is part of the industry's nature. 8. Always persevere and work hard. This formula always works when you get into stock trading. Because if you don't give up and you keep on working hard to achieve your goals, a lot of opportunities will be opened up to you. Persevering and working hard will also keep your feet firmly planted on the ground.